Rahman.
Yeah.
A.R. Rahman, who's our boy. We kind of introduced him to the films itself. In Chennai, if you go, they'll take you on a roller coaster.
So which was the most fascinating or the most memorable thing, event or moment in your last role? Last role. You're also actress.
Oh yeah. The one film that I did with Mohanlal years ago called Vanaprastham.
Yeah.
In Indian philosophy, we have 4 stages of a man. The first is Brahmacharya, when he's a bachelor.
Mhm.
Second is Grahastham, when he's like in a family. And then Vanaprastham and Sannyasam. Sannyasam is when he gives up everything and becomes a hermit.
Yeah. Lives on his own.
Yeah, sannyasi. But Vanaprastham is the stage where he doesn't know whether he belongs in the society or in the forest. So the film is called Vanaprastham. It's a Malayalam film directed by Shaji Karun. It had an entry into Cannes Festival also at the Regat. So that was where the film was shown, and I think that was a very challenging role because it's not like the traditional Indian woman.
Is it also reflecting your personal life or in person who you are? And could you identify with the role or?
Not at all. She's
all.
like not at all because it comes from the imagination of the director. She sees the man. He's an actor, Kathakali dancer.
Okay.
So she kind of respects him only when he's with makeup. When he's not with makeup, she's not interested in him.
Okay.
So I thought that was evil, and all of us have a little bit of evil. Devil
Everybody,
in us.
right?
So I loved the evil part of it.
Very nice. So going back to your past, to your, let's say, background, how have you become or dedicated to become an actress? So how was it your personal feeling where you said, I want to go into the
No,
acting?
not at all. I'm one of those reluctant actors. That's why I didn't get into Bollywood also. People ask me, how come you acted in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada,
Right.
but not in Bollywood because I'm a technician like any of you. I used to handle the camera. And,
Okay.
that's what I study. And when I was working with a cinematographer in a film, they were looking for a new girl for the next film.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And they found, and I think they went too far. They went to Bombay
Okay.
to get a girl, but they couldn't, and so they, caught me because I was
They
next to the
picked you
camera,
then, yeah.
and then that's how I got into acting. So it's not really like I wanted to be an actress,
Yeah.
but it so happened.
So doing the films, you're in Germany now. Are you also planning to do some cooperation or in German films, or can we see you also in Germany? have any
I
plans?
want more Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and Kannada films to come to Germany.
Okay.
So right now I'm only looking at Stuttgart Festival. So next year I want more South Indian films to come. So that will be my intention. I really don't know about co-production because it's a great idea when I see all the enthusiasm about Indian.
Because you see the
films.
Indian hype here. You have also seen during the festival
Yes.
a lot of, let's say, young girls who are dressed up like Indian girls and they want to dance and
yes,
want
and
to
we
be
also
part of it.
not just the Indian expats, but we also have the Sri Lankan Tamils here. So
of course,
we have
a
an
lot of them,
advantage from the Sri Lankan Tamils.
Yeah.
Love. They connect to the language itself. Is for people like you who are all in Germany. India, the connection to India is films.
Right.
But for them, they connect to the language itself because they're not from India, they're from Sri Lanka.
Right.
So films and Tamil films are more important to them than their own nation. So it's so important. So I think there should be some collaboration with them.
in the nearby future. So what are the current trends in the Indian film industry? How can you judge it?
There is a lot of change in the regional cinema,
Right.
but Bollywood hasn't changed much. It is still going by popularity and what the masses like. It's pan-Indian, so they can't experiment so much. If they experiment, the films are not very successful. So they stick to the formula of good versus evil and romantic stories. And especially Hindi film, they go too much on romance and love stories and dance and music, whereas regional films are not like that. People are not going to watch just romance and they've had enough. So they want,
that's what you can also see in the nowadays films, I think.
Yeah.
Coming back to the point of the regional, how do you see the boundaries between the regional films and the Bollywood films? They are melting together more and more. For
Yes,
example, what I've seen, for example, Rowdy Rathore or something like, you see also South Indian elements in the North Indian movies or in the films, which is not actually used not to be normal in this sense,
Yes.
because North Indian film industry was North Indian film industry and South Indian same, and now they're melting more and more
Yeah.
together in some movies which you can see. How do you think about
I think
this?
I know two people from my town and my house who are responsible for it. One is Mani Ratnam, who's my husband,
Of course.
and Rahman.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rahman, who's our boy. We kind of introduced him to the films itself. He was only an ad film musician at that point. 91, Roja, he was
Roja.
brought in. So these two people are very important for a bridge. And then you have Prabhu Deva, and now you have Why This Kolaveridi. You remember the song?
I know
It's-
this song.
it's popular all over. In
Yeah.
fact, you won't believe it. The song is composed by my best friend's son, who's only
Okay.
21. He's only 21.
How did
I
you
saw-
actually come to this kind of song? Because personally, this was something new. And
Lovely,
it was
isn't
very
it?
lovely and it was popular.
really
It was played
lovely.
in clubs. It was even.
See, it is unpretentious. It's the difference between Bollywood films and Tamil films is that Tamil will be Tamil, West will be West. You cannot connect both of them. For us, West is only a dream, a distant
Okay.
dream. So even the English, the language that is spoken, everything is like how we will speak.
Yeah.
We can't expect you Westerners to speak like you. It is not like that.
Yeah.
We have our own way of doing it. This is how we do it, which is actually very entertaining.
Of course, of course. Well, we have also seen it in the event just before. So Germany events, it's a bit closer. Nobody is really jumping up and dancing. So this is, you think
Yeah.
this is kind of a comparison
Definitely,
which
definitely.
you can do?
It is. I think the inhibitions will all come out.
Yeah.
All the closed inhibitions will all come out if one sector is now going to be open.
Of course.
If you see a black dancer, a drummer, automatically your legs start DJing and things like that. Similarly, when you have a Kolaveri kind of a song, you open up.
You open up. This comes automatically, I think, also attached to the culture.
Yes,
Maybe.
I think Chinese loved it, Japanese loved it, because
Good.
for them English is an alien language.
Yeah. Very nice. So, what are your next projects? What you are planning?
I'm right now. I act in Telugu and Kannada films. So there are a couple of films that I do. I play the chief minister in one of the films.
Wow.
I play the collector in another film. So anything authoritative they give me, but that is only like a hobby. Acting is only like a hobby. I do television shows. I host television shows. I'm a television hostess, and also I run a festival like this in Chennai.
In Chennai, okay.
Chennai, in Madras, and
Yeah.
we have an international film festival. We show about 200 films.
Okay.
So I
So it's a
participate.
bit bigger than the Stuttgart Festival, I
Yes,
guess.
it is very big, but it's small. And I also curate Tamil films for international festivals, Dubai and Berlin.
Okay.
Maybe for Stuttgart Festival next year.
Maybe next year, it's the 10th anniversary here,
I will
so-
be planning and I'll be curating films,
Okay.
sending films from India.
Very curious about it. This film.
And I also run an NGO, non-government
Okay.
organization.
What is this about?
It is called NAAM Foundation, NAAM Foundation.net.
Okay.
My husband and I started a trust where we take care of single women in India,
Okay.
in Chennai,
Yeah.
underprivileged. Most of them are housemates. They're
Okay.
maids. So either widowed or the husbands have deserted them. So in India, there is nothing. In lower strata of society, there is nothing called divorce. The husbands just
Absolutely.
leave them, and so we take care of them and their families and things
So
like
the
that.
goal is to set them again back to the society.
Yes, to
Tell
be
them-
acceptable and also empowering them.
Okay. Okay.
Being single, to look after the family, their health, we take care of their health.
To be also accepted by the society in this sense,
Yes.
so that they
For
are
example-
integrated again.
For example, if I'm called to inaugurate a store,
Yeah.
in India, we usually light a lamp. A beautiful lamp is lit, and it's supposed to be auspicious, and I'm supposed to be lucky, and the business flourishes. But in these kind of occasions, they don't invite widows, the women who've lost their husbands.
Yeah.
But we make it a point, when I go for an inauguration, it's actually lit like this, one of these single women.
Yeah.
So they are included in the society.
Okay, that's very good. So we will
Some
will
of
look
them
into
have
it.
become, we've taught them driving, so they've
Oh,
become
wow.
auto rickshaw drivers.
That's interesting. Female
They
auto-
drive auto rickshaw.
Yeah.
In Chennai, if you go, they'll take you on a roller coaster.
I will try this next time. And then
Yeah.
Thank you very much. So, what would you suggest to the coming actors or actress who want also or already are in the film industry or want to become actress? What is your suggestion?
Don't be reluctant like me. Put your heart and soul and everything into it. I'm not a good example at all because I wanted to be a technician. But
Yeah.
whatever I did from the bottom of my heart. I was sincere and I was dedicated and I did a lot of homework. I learned 4 languages. I learned
Okay.
4 languages all
So you know
after
which language, of course,
Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada.
Kannada.
All 4 languages I
Okay.
speak, and I didn't know a word of any of these languages when I came to act.
Okay.
So except my language, Tamil, I didn't know
Yeah.
that. So there's so much to learn. Not just language. You can learn about culture. You can learn about people, and you learn about interpersonal relationships. I think acting is a wonderful job. It's great. It's not just glamorous. It's a lot of hard work.
Of course.
Today's
This is,
girls and boys know that it's really, really hard. You have to have a good figure, you have to be pretty all the time, you have to be patient all the time, and you have to be creative all the time. But they know they have the exposure, but they just need patience.
patience and passion also. I
Yes,
think these
passion,
are-
absolutely. Dedication.
Okay. Thank you very much. Then these were
Thank you.
some questions which I carefully
Thank you very much. I've been like, I can't believe that I'm in the West because it's not cold first, and people are so warm and very friendly and lovely. It's really, really lovely.
See, we hope
I knew
to
only
have
one
in
German in my life, my friend's husband. His name is Lutz Maroon, and I've known him now for 25 years.
Okay.
But I thought he's the only German who's like really nice. The others are going to be tough, but I'm wrong. All Germans are wonderful. Namaste, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaskaram. Those are in 4 languages.
Very good.